became a blessing in someone's need, and saw their hope begin to rise. A gentle warmth flowed through my heart, like morning light across the skies.
I asked for nothing in return, no praise, no earthly gain.
Yet deep within your spirit sang a joy too pure to name. Oh Lord, my heart is full of praise for grace you let me see, that helping hands and humble love are gifts you gave to me. In lifting others toward their light, my soul found heaven's way.
A quiet joy, so deep, so sweet, you placed within my day. Not gold nor crowns could match the peace that blooms when kindness grows. For every seed of selfless love, your living mercy sows.
You let me be a tiny flame in someone's darkest love.
And in that